Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our third session for Introduction to Algebra. In the previous session, we discussed how to convert a verbal expression into an algebraic expression. Right? We did good number of problems based on that. In this session, we'll be taking some problems based on conversion of verbal expression to algebraic expression. Then we'll discuss the evaluation of an algebraic expression. Right, so let's begin this session now. Now friends, we have a word problem over here. Amar is twice as old as Ravi. If Ravi is Y years old, what is Amar's age? Now Ravi is Y and we have to find out Amar's age. Now Amar is twice as old as Ravi, right? That means Amar is twice as old as Y. That means Amar is 2y, right? It's very simple, friends. Now suppose you are asked what will be their ages after 8 years. Now what would happen after 8 years? If this is the present age, I'm just extending the question. After 8 years, what would happen? 8 will be added to these ages. So it is y plus 8 and it will be 2y plus 8. Right? After suppose you are asked before 2 years what were their ages, so it's before 2 years, so it will be y minus 2. It must have been y minus 2 and this is 2y minus 2, right? So isn't it very simple, friends? Let's take one more. Now in this case, Anupam is x years old. Lily is 5 times Anupam's age increased by 7 years. Now, Anupam is x years. Now we take Lily. Lily is 5 times, first of all 5 times Anupam's age increased by 7 years. That means first of all Anupam's age increased by 7 years, then 5 times. So 5 times Anupam's age increased by 7 years. Anupam age is x, increased by 7. Then put a bracket. I told you in the previous session, in fact also, that do not forget to put the bracket, right? So and 5 times. So Anupam's age is x here. So Lily will be 5 times x plus 7. Okay. Now friends, let's take some geometry and mensuration related problems. Here we are given a rectangle, right? Length of this rectangle is L, that's given to us, and breadth is B. We have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Now what is the perimeter? It's 2 times length plus breadth, right? So this is the perimeter, 2 times, put a bracket, don't forget to put the bracket, length plus breadth and 2 times, right? This is the first question. Now suppose second question, length is given as L and breadth is half of length. If it is given, breadth is half of length. In that case, if length is L, breadth will be L by 2, that is half of L. Now what will be the perimeter? 2 times length plus breadth, length is length, breadth is what? L by 2, that is half of length, so it's L by 2. Okay friends? And if you are asked about area of this rectangle in this case, so area is what? This side into this side, that means length into breadth. So length is L, area I write, and breadth is L by 2. So it is L into L by 2, or you can say L square by 2. Okay. Now friends, we have one more verbal expression over here that we have to convert into algebraic expression. The amount A of money that an investment P will becomes is equal to sum of investment and interest, right? Amount is A, that is equal to sum of investment and interest. Investment is what? P, sum and interest. Right? Isn't it very easy, friends? If you learn to convert the verbal expression into algebraic expression, good number of problems can be solved very easily. Right? So I hope you are getting me. Let's take one or two more. Now the sum of angles of a triangle ABC is equal to 180 degree, right? So it's angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is sum of all the three angles is equal to 180 degree, right? Now if you are told that sum of angle B and angle C is 90 degree, then also you can write angle B plus angle C is 90 degree, right? So this way you can do. Now friends, let's learn to evaluate algebraic expressions. Right? Now suppose maybe I have an algebraic expression A plus B. Now I am given that A is 1 and B is 2. Then A plus B will be equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Right? Now suppose I have A plus 2B and A is 1, B is 2. So I'll put the value of A and B over here. So it's 1 plus 2 into 2. So that's 1 plus 4, that is 5, right? Or suppose I am given A minus B. So A minus B is what? 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, right? So this way you can evaluate an algebraic expression, right? Doesn't matter how difficult or how lengthy it is, you just put the value and you can get the solution easily if you know BODMAS rules, right? Basic arithmetic operations must be clear and you should be clear with BODMAS. Okay, so let's take some more examples. Now friends, here we are given some some verbal expression. First of all, we have to convert them to an algebraic expression. Then we have to evaluate them. Now 3 cubed. 3 cubed is what? 3 cubed. That is 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Right? Now 6 increased by 6. 6 increased by 6. So that is 12. Okay? The sum of 7 and 6. Sum of 7 and 6. Sum of 7 and 6. So that is 13. 29 decreased by 8. So that is 21. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. So that is 9. Right? 5 cubed. 5 cubed. So that is 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Okay? 3 increased by 7. 3 increased by 7. So that is 10. Okay? The product of 5 and 7. 5 and 7 and product. Product of 5 and 7, that is multiplication product means. So that is 35. 16 decreased by 8. 16 decreased by 8. Okay? So it is 8. Okay? 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. So that is 6. Okay? 7 more than 12. 7 more than 12. More means plus. So 7 more than 12. So that is 19. 24 decreased by 12. 24 decreased by 12. So that is 12. Okay? The product of 2 and 8. 2 and 8 product, that is 16. The quotient of 40 and 5. 40 divided by 5. Quotient, how do we find? This divided by this, that means 40 divided by 5, that is 8. Okay, so quotient of 40 and 5 is 8. The third power of 4 and its third power, right? So that is nothing but 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. Okay, 8 more than 10. This is 10. This is 8. 8 more than 10. So that is 18. Okay, so you find that it's very easy to find to convert a verbal expression into an algebraic expression, then after that evaluation of that is also very easy. Okay, now we'll take some more examples. Now let's say this one. Here it's j plus h divided by 3, and we have to use the values of h as 3 and j as 6. Now what you have to do, you just have to put up the value over here. Let's do it. J is 6, h is 3 divided by 3. Now as I told you earlier, you should be very much clear with board mass rules. So first of all, you have to solve the bracket. Now 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. Okay, very simple. Now it is b minus a square. B is what? 3 minus a square, that means 1 square. Now 1 square is what? 1 only. So it is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay. Similarly, y plus x divided by 6. Use x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6. So 6 plus 6 divided by 6. Okay. Now we have to solve the bracket first. 6 plus 6 is 12 divided by 6, that is 2. Okay. Similarly, over here, m is equal to 6 and p is equal to 4. Put the value. M is equal to 6, p is equal to 4, so it is 4 minus 1. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. So 6 into 3, that is 18. Okay. Here mp minus m. M is 3, p is 2. So 3 into 2, right? mp, that means m into p, right? It's m into p. So 3 into 2 minus m, that is 3. So according to board mass, what we have to do first? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here we are having multiplication and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have to perform multiplication first, right? So 3 into 2, 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay. Similarly, 5p, that is 5 into p is what? 5 minus q, that is 4. Now again multiplication and subtraction. So we have to perform multiplication first, then subtraction. So 5 into 5, 25 minus 4, that is 21. Okay, isn't it very easy, friends? Now let's take this one. 1 plus y minus x. 1 plus y is 6 minus x, that is 5. Now according to board mass, first we have to add and then subtract. So 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 7 minus 5, that is 2. Okay. Now 6 plus b minus a. So it is 6 plus b is 3 minus a is 1. Again we have to add, then subtract. 6 plus 3, 9 minus 1, that is 8. Getting me? Here j into 3 plus h. J is 5. 3 plus h is 1. According to board mass, we have to solve the bracket first, right? So it's 5 into, in bracket we have 3 plus 1, that is 4. So it is 5 into 4, that is 20. Okay. Here c cube, that is 2 cube minus b. So it's b. Now we have to solve 2 cube first. So that is 8 minus 1, that is 7. Okay. Here x plus y square. So x is what? 4. Y square is what? 5 square. So we have to solve 5 square. So it is 4 plus 25, that is 29. Okay. Here 6p plus m. 6p is 2, m is 6. We have to solve the bracket first. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So 6 into 8, that is 48. Okay. Here yx square. Y is 4. If no sign is given, we have to use multiplication sign. Y into x square, that is 3 square, right? So first of all you have to solve 3 square. So that is 4 into 9, and that is 36. Okay. Here m minus n divided by 4. M is 5, n is 4 divided by 4. Now according to board mass, between division and subtraction we have to perform division first, right? So it's 5 minus 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. Now 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So friends, you just observe that how easy it is to evaluate an algebraic expression. You just put up the value of the variables over here in the expression and just solve using board mass. Okay friends. So friends, in the next session we'll be taking more concepts related to algebra. Do revise this session and the previous ones. I'll see you in the next session once again. Bye bye.